Hey, good morning everybody, Ginger here. So as a connector, I look at where I can show up that makes a difference, where I can meet people, where I can find out what's going on, what I can be doing to serve them, and where I can generate my own business. And so this morning, my fine husband and I were in the kitchen making breakfast. Waffles are coming up pretty short. And we're thinking about a workshop that we both thought we were going to go to. And then in talking about it, we realized, it's probably not going to be the best place. So I think of, is that the best use of my time? Are those the people that I'm going to be able to help, to serve, to get to know, and therefore to do business as well? All those things swirl around in this head of mine. And I think, in this case, I don't think so. Great people, good purpose, just not the right jam for me. So we've decided we're not going. We're going to use our time otherwise. So as a connector, I'm thinking, time is precious. We all know that. Time is the only limited commodity that we can never find more of, get more of, buy more of, get more of, no matter what we want to do or what we want to think or how long we think we want to live. We're not in control of that. So as a connector, I'm thinking, where is my time most valuable? Where can I make the biggest impact, have the most enjoyable, productive fun, helping others, and then helping myself? So think about it. It's a great day to connect. Make sure you're showing up where it makes sense. Have a great day.